Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can about video editing in CapCut, how you can do video editing in CapCut and how you can earn money through video editing. Video editing is a very premium skill which you can sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So in today's video I will teach you how to what is the adjustment layer and how you can change the adjustment of your videos, etc. So let's get started. I am opening CapCut PC software. This is the software and I teach you different parts of this software like timeline, stickers, how to use effect, transition, etc. Now we are in today's video I will teach you how you can do adjustment layer, custom adjustments. Basically it is for coloring of your videos or photos. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to media and here I want to add this video. I trim this video and let's adjust his color. So I'm going to adjustment and here I choose customized custom adjustments, or you can also choose presets, or you can also choose LUTs, but I choose this one. And now I want to change its temperature, etc. So I change its temperature, decrease its hue, increase saturation, increase brightness, contrast, highlights, shadow. I want to sharpen, clarity, vintage, like this one, and some fade effect. So I can also save this as a preset for later use. So let's see. And so now I again import video. So let's see the difference. So this is the video without adjustment layer and this is the video with adjustment layer, and you can also apply this adjustment layer on other videos. Like I import this one, Control C, this one. Now I copy this layer and place it here. So I trim the videos to tell you about difference before and after. So let's play the video and let's see the difference before adjustment layer and after the adjustment layer. So these are the adjustment we made, like some effects, and this is the second video, it's before, and let's see what happened after adjustment, this one. So in this way you can adjust the coloring and you can create your own adjustment layer. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.